Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to draw something more advanced. That is Infernape, the fire starter from Pokemon Diamond Pearl Platinum version. The design is complicated. So let's go guys, we can do it. First, change the background color to gray. Then create new layer for the rough sketch. We can start to create the pose. Imagine this as the bone of Infernape. Then, we can start to create the face first. Continue with the head. After that, continue to sketch the body and feet. Remember to correct the wrong proportion in this phase. We can do the details later. When the body is good, continue to the hands. Finish it with the details such as tails and fire on the head. Now the sketch is perfect. It is time to create the outline layer. First, turn down the opacity of sketch layer to 40%. Then create new layer for the outline layer. You can start from anywhere you like, but the front part first is easier. Remember to add every details of the character in this phase. When you are done with the outline layer, then it's time to color it. Set the outline layer as reference, like the image above. Then you can just drop the color in different layers. Don't forget to create one layer for one color only. See the image above as example. Now, add a new layer above every mid-tone color layers, and set them as clipping mask. See the image above as an example. Then, pick the darker color to create the shadow tone of the character. Repeat this step for the highlight tone. The fire hair is the most fun part. Create 4 tones of fire, then copy-paste the layer. Place it above the outline layer. Then, change the blending mode to add. Use Gaussian blur feature to make it glow. That's it for today. Congratulations guys, now you can draw the Infernape. Thank you everyone for watching and learning. And see you in the next video.